Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, by what number should 16 be divided to get a perfect cube? Here we have to find the number from which we divide that number by 16. We get a perfect cube. To find the solution, we need to find first the prime factorization of 16. So to find the prime factorization of 16, we will start the prime number by 2. So 16 by 2 is 8. Again 8 by 2 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. So the prime factorization of 16 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times, which is 2 to the power 3 into 2. Hence, to get a perfect cube, (16) should be divided by 2. That is 16 divided by 2 will be 8, which is the perfect cube of 2. Hence, our answer is 2, which is option A.